Are you planning to visit Finland for a period of longer than 90 days? If that is the case, then you need to have a resident permit. Now, this doesn't apply to every person. There are some countries which do not need a visa to come here in Finland. And even when they stay longer than that, all they need is to apply for a right to stay in Finland. Now, let's discuss about you who need a resident permit in order to visit Finland. Now, before coming to Finland, you must first apply for that resident permit. And when applying for a resident permit, you always need to state a reason of visit to Finland. Stating your reason to migration office will help the immigration office to give you the right kind of resident permit that you need. Now, Migri has helped you out to provide some of the reasons that you may use. They are written on their website, and I will be reading that to you today. So when you pick that reason and you apply, it will be so much easier for them to know you need this kind of resident permit, as I stated before. Now, let me just go straight ahead and read it for you. Number one reason that you may use in order to visit Finland, it could be your spouse or a family member is already here in Finland. And when they say family member, doesn't mean uncle, auntie, or something like that. They give more explanation. They say according to Finnish law, spouse, children, and guardian of a child younger than 18 years old are the one considered as family members. So uncle, auntie, or someone far away from this close family is not considered a family member. Reason number two, you are applying for resident permit at the same time as your spouse. So it could happen that your spouse, for example, has got maybe a school opportunity in Finland and need to have a resident permit. You may apply on the same time. But number three, you have found a study place in Finland. You can use that as a reason to get your resident permit. But number four, you need to conduct a scientific research here in Finland. That is also possible. But number five, you have completed a degree or a qualification of your research work in Finland. Then that can be a reason for you to get a resident permit here in Finland. But also you want to work in Finland. That also can be another reason why you can get a resident permit. But also, you want to become an entrepreneur in Finland. You can also use that as a reason. But also, you want to start up a business in Finland. That is also another reason. But also, you are a returnee. Returnee, what is this? This says you could be a former Finnish citizen. You could be a descendant of someone who is a Finnish citizen by birth. But also, you can be people from the area of the former Soviet Union who you were part of the Ingrian evacuees in the year 1943 to 1944, or who served in the Finnish army in 1939 to 1945. Thank you so much, and watch out for the coming videos. Bye-bye.